Alright, just showing you how to route this Netwrap on this Kubota baler. Depending on what model you have, most all of them are the same at this point. The first thing we need to do is on our monitor, we can release this net brake. You can see now it's opening up to where we can slide our rolling net in. Need to remove this outside collar and slide our rolling net on. Now we need to be sure that the net is coming off the back side of this roll, and then we can route it through the machine how it's supposed to be. Alright, so once the rolling net's on, we can slide our collar back into place. And the easiest way to do this is just to make a ponytail with our net. And the spiral roller is just to spread that net out as it runs through the machine. We need to go under it and right back on top of it. And then there's a window right here. We need to go through that window, and on the back side that's called a duck bill. That's what actually pulls the net into the machine, and you can feel on the back side of it it's got some teeth. You just need to stick that net, come through the window and through that duck bill. And once the net's on those teeth, once it goes through a tie cycle, it'll actually pull that net into the machine. Alright, so once we got our net routed correctly, we can swing this roll into place and take the slack out by turning it like this. Make sure our handle's locked in, and then we can go back to our cab and put that brake back on the rolling net. You can see this brake icon is flashing. We need to press it, and now we're ready to bail.